this on? Is it on? Yeah, we're on, right? Yeah. Okay. Honestly, dude, that's a fucking vibe on the skeleton.
Race car.
Race car.
This guy's sick and tired of me.
I see that. Uh-oh, Mustang, crowd killer. Coyote, I want it. Hey, ah! I'm trying to figure out what you're doing. Like, what's on that side? I have a limiter! Oh, but like, look how clean this thing is. Super clean. There's a cop over there too. I appreciate that guy. Thank you, my friend. I saw that little finger point. I was like, what? Oh, it's a cop. Whoopsies. Nice little 100 pull right there.